Unwrap the magic of 3D, drawing this holiday season. Parents, imagine gifting your child not just a book, but an adventure. How to Draw Anything in 3D Asterisk transforms blank pages into worlds of wonder, where ideas pop off the paper. Perfect for creative minds, this book brings fun and learning together like never before. Inside, your young artist will find step-by-step guides to drawing buildings, characters, animals, and mythical creatures, all in stunning 3D. With easy techniques to master depth, light, and shadow, they'll feel like pros in no time. It's education disguised as pure creative fun. This isn't just for kids, it's for the entire family. Whether your kid is doodling for fun or you're sketching along for bonding time, this 107-page guide is filled with clever tips and exciting projects. Creativity knows no age, and everyone can enjoy bringing art to life. At $16.07, you're giving more than a book. You're giving inspiration that lasts a lifetime. Pair this bestseller with art supplies for a thoughtful, heartwarming holiday treat. Ready to watch their eyes light up? Don't let the season pass without adding a touch of creative magic. Click the link in the description to order. How to Draw Anything in 3D Asterisk today. Give the gift they'll love, learn from, and remember forever. Creativity starts here. Are you ready to unwrap it?